all are doing well and hope you all are healthy mentally and physically. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how to order from the Happy Herbs website. So if you don't know, Happy Herbs is a brand, is an herbal brand as the name suggests. It's owned by Tamil actress Sruthika. She has done a lot of videos on skincare and how to use the Happy Herbs products and what she's doing for her skin. So fascinated by those videos, I'm here to order her products. So I thought let me order the products with you guys beside me. So let's move on. I have seen a couple of videos where she talks about the products. She is raving about the product and let's see whether it's worth the rave. She tells many people, many customers, clients are getting benefited from it. So I thought I should also give it a try, and also I will do a first impression, review videos and all of that on a Happy Herbs brand. So let's move on and see what to order. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to Google. We will go to Google and search Happy Herbs. We'll go to the website. Happy Herbs with the double A and double P, happyherbs.in is the website address, and there you could see the products in slideshow, and there is our products. Happy Herbs is an authentic traditional herbal skin and hair care brand with its basics rooted to the Asian science of Ayurveda. So these are some of their products like medicated hair oil, skin glow serum, turmeric night repair cream, softener face pack, and all of that. Upcoming products. So this is the home page of the Happy Herbs website. So we're gonna click the options and we can see. So we're gonna click on the skincare, and we could see the products that are available in the website. So the first one that I could see is the skin brightening moisturizer. As you could see on the screen recorder, it says skin whitening moisturizer on the packaging, on the label. And guys, I know this website, I know this brand like a couple of months ago. When I thought of ordering it for myself, I went to the website and I saw this product, this particular product. The title of the product is Skin Brightening Moisturizer, and on the packaging it says Skin Whitening Moisturizer, and I am against skin whitening. I'm not into it. And guys, I don't know why actress, lecturer Sruthika is doing this. Maybe the label isn't changed, or I don't know what is happening, but this is not something that I'm gonna support. So this, I really wanted to order a products, but this is why I took a back and I did not wanted to order or support a brand which promotes skin whitening products. So guys, I would like to tell you something, that in my 8th standard, when I was in 8th standard, that is 2008, I supported a lot of organizations, and also I was a part of a lot of campaigns that is against skin whitening and not to promote whitening skincare products. So it was back in 2008, and by last year 2020, Fair and Lovely changed their brand name to Glow and Lovely. So it took like almost 2020, more than 10 years to change the name. Okay, it took a lot of struggle. I signed a lot of petitions, and this is what we have come up to. Lecturer, actress, entrepreneur is promoting skin whitening product. I'm really upset, guys. I'm actually upset. I saw this website like 2 months ago. This was there, but this was there, and so let's skip this and we will move on to the second product, which is the turmeric night repair cream. So this is working so good for so many of our clients and so many of our customers, and let me read the description for you. This unique night cream contains turmeric, red sandalwood and saffron, and suitable for all skin types. And I have an oily skin, and I do have few dark spots on my face. I have an oily skin. Let's see if this cream gonna work on my oily skin. And it says saffron is a rich source of antioxidants which help to detan and illuminate the skin. The cream is an extremely good anti-aging cream that helps to improve a skin elasticity, prevents the sign of aging, and make your skin look blemish free and radiant. So this is what it says, and I hope this is also a good anti-aging cream. And it says it also detans. Turmeric is a very good ingredient for detan. So let's order this one. Let's see how to use this. By the way guys, detan is different from whitening, okay? So if I get tan under the sun, I tend to develop a dark patch that is tan over just on my forehead. The rest of the face will be in some other tone, and on my forehead I'll be in another tone. So this is why people need detan. So there is a difference between detan and whitening. If my skin looks even skin tone, I'm really happy about that. Even if I'm dark, or if I'm dark and deep brown skin tone, I love my chocolatey skin tone. But what I need is that even tone. I'll be like one color here, one color over here, another color over here. So this is problem for most of the girls. So we all want even skin tone and not whitening. So guys, this cream has to be used like cleanse your face, towel dry, and massage gently a small amount evenly all over the face and neck. For any dark spots or dark circles and scar marks, apply little extra on the affected area. Very good. This is so good for dark spots, dark circles, because it has turmeric. You can also apply this under your eyes, around your eyes, and it is also good for dark spots, which I have, and also scar marks, I think, which is the pimple scar marks or some other scar marks. Apply a little extra on the affected area. This cream is recommended to be used only at night or bedtime, which means this is a repair cream. When we apply the cream and go to sleep, it takes time and it repairs the skin. It repairs the damages that we do in the daytime. Okay, so this is what it is, and the ingredients are turmeric, saffron, jojoba oil, cedar wood, patchouli oil, vetiver oil, virgin coconut oil, and glycerin. Let me put this add to cart, and this is going to the cart. So this is also something that I wanted to order like 2 months back, but when I saw that whitening cream, I'm like, I'm not going to order from this website, and I'm not going to support this brand. Guys, I love organic products, I love herbal products, I love to support local products, but when a brand is promoting a skin whitening products, I'm not going to do that. I get a lot of mails and lot of phone calls to promote glutathione products, especially this glutathione whitening cream or something like that, but that has glutathione like capsules, glutathione drink, like something like a tablet. You put it on water and drink it up, glutathione cream and glutathione face wash and all of that. I was like, no, please don't come to me asking to promote a glutathione or a skin whitening product. Let's see guys, let's move on to I'm getting emotional whenever I talk about the skin whitening thing. The Skin Glow Enhancer Serum, which is 50 ml. The Skin Glow Enhancer Serum is a saffron based face serum. Is it Kumkumadi? Guys, this is the first time I'm reading the description. I haven't read this description before. So it says it is a saffron based face serum that efficiently permeates the skin for deep hydration, radiance while imparting essential nutrients. The serum also contains aloe vera, cucumber, and manjista extracts, making it a good choice for common skin problems. It is 100% herbal and gives an instant glow, leaving a natural shine on your face. The serum can be used daily for a healthy, natural, and flawless skin. So guys, this particular serum, this one is a Skin Glow Enhancer Serum. I have an oily skin type and I'm already glowing. Okay, oily skin girls know this. We are already glowing, like we'll be like very shiny during the day. Okay, we don't even need that highlighter or a glow serum because we're already glowing. We need that mattifying finish, mattifying serum, serums that are gel based, serums that are water based, and serums that are like very lightweight in texture. But this particular serum is I don't know what base it is, but it says it is a Skin Glow Enhancer Serum. And she also told that this serum can be used before your makeup as a makeup base. So let's give it a try, because this seemed to be very attractive. And this picture you could see in the dropper, the serum seemed to be like water based, I guess. If it is water based, then I'll be the happiest person in the earth. I love water based serums. I love gel based. This one, let's see guys, if it is oily serum, if it's an oil based serum, then I cannot use it. Dry skin people can use it every single day, but I really can't use it every single day. Maybe in winters I can use it, or maybe if I'm going to any cold countries or cold places I could use it, but this is summer, I can't use it. But I wish this is water based serum, and fingers crossed. Let's see how to use this. Clean face, pat dry, and take about 10 to 8 drops of the serum. 10 to 8 drops, isn't that be too heavy? Like 2 to 4 drops is enough for my face. Let's see, I will do a first impressions on this product also. Take about 8 to 10 drops of the serum, apply directly all over the face for an instant natural glow. The serum can be used with makeup too. When used with makeup, use as a base. Use as a base before applying foundation to get a beautiful glossy finish. So after applying the serum, there might be slight tingling sensation on the skin due to the natural ingredients used in the serum. Wash off before bedtime. So this is like a day serum. You should not be using the serum at night time. So this is a day serum. I'm really excited. If this comes in a water based, I'll be so happy. And the ingredients are turmeric again, aloe vera, saffron, jasmine, manjusta, and lotus. Let's add this to cart. So far we have a turmeric night repair cream, which is 767 rupees for 50 grams. And we have the Skin Glow Enhancer Serum 50 ml for 826. So the next on the list we see is Skin Softener Face Pack. So let me read the ingredients of this. Multani Metti, aloe vera, glycerin, coconut oil, something that I cannot pronounce, neem oil. So I'm not really into buying this herbal face pack because my mom is an expert in doing this DIY face packs at home. She is so good at making body wash powders, face wash powders and all of that. So she also makes face pack powders at home, so I'm not really into buying this one. So let's skip this one. We will move on to the next one. Oh, that's it. That's it for the skincare. So we'll go to the hair care. So they have this herbal medicated hair oil, which costs rupees 590, which is kind of less than the other ones because the other one has a saffron, which is kind of costly. I will buy this if the skincare works. I will buy this hair oil because already I have a ton of hair oils, and you guys know I love hair oils. So if the skincare works, I'll buy this for sure. We will go to the Elite. The Elite category, Elite products. Happy Herbs Elite is a range of exclusive products crafted with lots of love and care. The Elite products are inspired from age-old Ayurvedic beauty rituals used by royal families. We bring you the key to the royal beauty through our products. So they have a Manjal Magic luxury bathing bar. So this one, she was raving about this particular Manjal Magic soap because she said go to any mall, buy turmeric soaps from the stores and give it a blind test. Give it a blind test, and definitely you will like this Manjal Magic soap because it is so pure, and that is what she said. I really wanted to buy this Manjal Magic soap, but recently, like a week ago, I purchased this Body Shop Strawberry Shower Gel, like which is full, guys, almost full. It's been a week. I used it for a week, but you can see the bottle is still full. So only if this gets over, I can buy the Manjal Magic soap. And so I am not planning to buy this bathing bar right now, but I would love to. So the next one in the Elite category is the Suvarnamaya Brightening and Rejuvenating Cream. So this is the Suvarnamaya 50 grams Brightening and Rejuvenating Cream. I think this is is a day cream. Swarnamaya is an Ayurvedic preparation, contains extracts of pure red sandalwood. This wonder cream is also enriched with essential oils like vetiver, turmeric, almond, jojoba, neem, geranium and lavender, etc. When I went to Kerala, I bought the red sandalwood sticks where you எழைச்சு போடுறது அந்த கல்லுல வச்சு எழைச்சு you can apply the red sandalwood as a face pack or as a dark spot treatment. I use red sandalwood and it's so good for dark spots, and this one I'm not really planning to buy it. Oh, this wonder cream can be used as a day cream, as a sunscreen and also as a night cream. Oh, is this a sunscreen or a day cream or a day cream with sunscreen? If it is a day cream with sunscreen, where is the SPF? What is the SPF? I mean, what is the SPF? I could not find SPF. I never thought this is a sunscreen. I thought this is a day cream or a night cream. This, I repeat again, this wonder cream can be used as a day cream, as a sunscreen. This description says this cream can be used during the daytime. Like a sunscreen, it acts like a sunscreen, and it can also be used as a night cream. It makes the skin smooth and blemish free. I'm not really sure what this is, and she says this cream can also be used as a good foundation. I have nothing to say. This cream can also be used as a good foundation for makeup. Is this a foundation? God, I'm really confused. Is it a day cream or is it a night cream or is generally a moisturizer or it is a SPF or it is a foundation? My God, this cream is like 5-1. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I know how hard work you put into being a brand, but I think the team has to correct the description. If it is a foundation, where are the shades? And this is priced at ₹999, which is like 1,000 rupees, and it is 50 grams. Guys, I'm really confused. There's not any other pictures attached to it. There's like only this picture. The outer packaging of the product is there. I could not see. There is no pictures on how the actual cream will look like or how the packaging will look like. Only the outer packaging or the outer carton is there in the pictures. Oh, there's 8 customer reviews. Let's read the reviews and find out whether this is a foundation or this is an SPF or this is a day cream, night cream or a moisturizer. Let's read it. So someone says, I really like this Happy Herbs products. At first I really hesitated to buy, but once saw Shrutika's video in Insta and people's review, then I decided to give it a try. I have been using this for the past 1 month, and yes, it's really awesome and I really like it. My skin texture start to improve. The main satisfied part is that all the ingredients is herbal and does not contain any chemical. I really loved it. Happy Herbs is my skincare products. Thank you and keep it up. So I really don't know. So this is what the reviews are. So one of them says it gives instant glow and nice supple look to the skin. She has been working overnight for the past couple of days. Despite all this, her skin looks fresh, and that's only because of this cream. Maybe this is like a moisturizer, or I don't know, guys. Let's skip this one. Swarnamaya cream. The team should really work on their description. So this one is like oil, I guess, because she showed this product in one of her interviews. So I saw this is like a oil, and you need to be applying this before bath. So this is an oil that you can use it as a pre-bath or as a post-bath or as a moisturizer, I guess. So the benefits, the description, let me read the description. Radiant Elixir is an Ayurvedic natural skin eliminator for face and body. It is a miraculous face and body oil that helps to repair pigmentation, detan skin and makes the skin visibly brighter and glowing. This oil is enriched with the goodness of turmeric, a potent antioxidant which repairs pigmentation, uneven skin tone and marks really good. With regular usage, it improves the skin quality and texture, makes the skin look supple and flawless. I have an oily skin. It doesn't mean that oily skin doesn't need any oil or moisturization. Moisturization, hydration, definitely oily skin need, but for oil, only few oils tend to work on my oily skin. I really like the Kama Ayurveda, some Moringa oil. And this one, do I really need to buy this one? So this can also be used as a good massage oil for kids, but I don't need it right now, I think. Let's move on. So that's it in the elite category. So far I have added only 2 items in my cart. So we have the turmeric night repair cream and the skin glow enhancer serum. So the subtotal is 1,593 rupees. The shipping is flexible shipping, 100 rupees. Okay. So the total is 1,693 rupees. So I will place order for this and I will stop recording it because I need to place order for this, and I will do my payment and I will do my address. So yesterday Happy Herbs released an IGTV video in which Shrutika talks about the quality, and it kind of takes time because they prepare fresh stocks every month. So it will take time for dispatch, which I really understand, and she says they really wanted to keep up the quality. They do not want to compromise the quality. So that is why I thought I need to order their products, because there is no compromise on quality. That is what she said. And so that's it, guys. That's it for this video, and that's how we order from the happyherbs.in website. And I hope you like this video and it was informative. After the items have reached to me, I will do a first impression of the products and I will keep updating you on how it works. I really wish that it works and it suits my oily skin type. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care. And also I would like to tell you guys, my doctor told me that if you have skin like Sundi Vitta Ratta Varum, when you pinch your cheeks, if it gets like red or if it gets like light pink, then it means that you have unhealthy skin. That is what my dermatologist told me. That is what my doctor told me. Like if you have cheeks that are like red or it is like pink, or it turns red or turns pink, then it means that you have unhealthy skin. Okay. And also you heard a recent Tamil song in one of actor Jeeva's movie, like "Ye Mama Ponnu Sundi Vitta Ratta Varum color" is something like that, which means that she has very unhealthy skin. Okay.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.